Have you ever felt a gentle nudge, a whisper in your ear, guiding you towards a certain path? That, my friend, could be the subtle presence of your spirit guides, always there to support you on your journey. These loving beings reside in the spiritual realm, dedicated to your growth, healing, and fulfillment. Life can be a whirlwind of decisions, challenges, and triumphs. It's easy to feel lost or uncertain about which direction to take. This is where your spirit guides step in, offering their wisdom, love, and unwavering support. Imagine having a team of wise friends cheering you on every step of the way. They understand your soul's purpose, your dreams, and your fears. Their guidance can illuminate your path, helping you navigate the twists and turns of life with more grace and ease. Opening yourself to their presence is like unlocking a hidden doorway to a world of love, support, and infinite possibilities.
Spirit guides are loving beings who exist in a higher vibrational frequency. They are here to assist us on our earthly journey, offering guidance, protection, and unconditional love. Think of them as your personal cheerleading squad, always rooting for your highest good. These guides come in many forms. You might have a guardian angel, a spirit animal, or ascended masters by your side. Some guides stay with you throughout your life, while others may come and go, depending on the lessons you're meant to learn. Each guide brings unique gifts and wisdom. For instance, a spirit animal might embody qualities you need to cultivate, while an ascended master might offer insights on your spiritual path. It's important to remember that your guides will never interfere with your free will.
Connecting with your spirit guides is easier than you might think. They are always with you, patiently waiting for you to reach out. The key is to create a clear and open channel of communication, allowing their loving energy to flow through. One of the simplest ways to connect is through meditation. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. As you relax, invite your guides to step forward, surrounding you with their love and light. You can also connect through automatic writing. Grab a journal and pen, quiet your mind, and allow your hand to move freely across the page. Don't censor yourself or overthink it. Simply let the words flow.
As you open yourself to the presence of your guides, you might receive guidance in various ways. It could be a gut feeling, a song on the radio, or a message from a friend. The key is to pay attention to the signs and synchronicities that appear in your life. For instance, you might be drawn to a particular book or workshop, feeling a strong urge to learn more. Or you might meet someone who shares wisdom that deeply resonates with your soul. Trust that your guides are orchestrating these experiences, nudging you towards your highest path. Remember that your guides communicate in a language of love and intuition. It's important to quiet your mind, listen to your heart, and trust the guidance you receive.
Cultivating a relationship with your spirit guides can profoundly transform your life. Their loving guidance can help you overcome challenges, make aligned decisions, and step into your full potential. Imagine feeling supported, loved, and guided every step of the way. This is the power of embracing the unseen realm and allowing your spirit guides to illuminate your path. As you deepen your connection, you'll likely experience a greater sense of peace, purpose, and joy. Remember, you are never alone. Your spirit guides are always with you, ready to offer their unwavering love and support.